Good evening and welcome to Porcupine Stand with Obed here on YouTube. Announcement no yegusu senior mubehu die ekoso changes ekoso our channel way. Dino a move from Obed TV to Porcupine Stand. Na eka Porcupine Stand anu aje so pure Kotoko. The pure Kotoko news and I be our channel way. Enunti na on say the project Obed TV na more than Kotoko. There are a lot of it. So they decided say the project Obed TV never cost so very full. Whilst I have project no be the friend of the Porcupine Stand, which is pure Kotoko news from the start to the end. Enti oba no subscribe to the account. Subscribe to it. Send here. Next time we go search Obed TV ebi abekọ akobie no. Na a different form of content na ekoso e was Obed TV. So the Obed TV name will be used for a different content. Whilst the Porcupine Stand no ebe pure Kotoko news. So subscribe to the account. Na emboa emma yejumedie no entimi enkonanim kama. Na enumere question of the day no ewo ho. Na question of the video no wo ho. Because on social media, after say anopa, made the story of Fatawu Safiu ebeboom no, the reaction here mixed signals. You're more for and you're more against. So to cut everything short, no, meaning say you can decide to wait in a video new year, then you answer the question. But do you think say Asante Kotoko should give up on Fatawu Safiu, and I said they should treat him na ombo. Three things. Either say Obed treating no abo, and I say Obed terminate contract no, and I say according to the player, Odiri so Obed me abo despite the pain. Now put control so manembo. No more whether obetimi abo anase wontimi mbo. It's a very dicey issue. Very dicey issue. And then Ray anopan se ne me share mo bon say enumre me tenase a me de extra information beba because their angles are now twister as I me nsa kana me de ba se ne me share mo bon se me de beba na braso se me de bremo na mo hu de akọ. But before say be hye nsem na se no Mame enfanto anim say ene anopa ye kan ewo your passport say the legends of Asante Kotoko ebe piemu ewo adakwaja ache omo de ade efe no cooling machine e de koma eye Kotoko team no na eye presentation a legends ne kan bom e de akoma omo ewie me sure say ekoso the Kotoko me morning and afternoon training nti ekoso kama Ema ye presentation no e de ema team no na coach Ugum send ye de two manim za anopa na wo be back out ko be publish video. Indeed Asante Kotoko e publish video no lamte so ye catch am so be ba wa back out ko publish video no eno nti de da ho a me de ma on ye say legend of Asante Kotoko ye mbo maba so e wo that jumadi o mutim kodi ye e wo eye adakwaja ache a o mo de ache de soronko akoma Asante Kotoko team no na ma bibia atimi akoyi ewo ho nti se ogumaba nti training no a plan na wo jato ho ma eye David Okulu no oba be take over na omato ankomo no so ogumaba no so no there will be a lot of conversations about so over the camp of Asante Kotoko ani nyina mu no ye de be bramo ewo se Obed TV na bibia akoyi nti enu idea ye be ma extensive version of Fatawu and Asante Kotoko termination issue, extensive version. Remember, sources close to the player. Remember the version. Remember, sources close to the medical team version. Remember, sources close to Asante Kotoko team version. The ababe bomuna me de be ka ho no. Anopan de man fam be nyina na me penchechi mu a me nsa kan na me beba. We are no sources close to the supporters of Asante Kotoko. Remember 4 angles on one story. And ha any chechira buana ha any besana no. So Obed TV, me basisi ya. So. Now, this is the story. Fatawu Safiu joining Asante Kotoko or your training 3 days. Anopa, ewia, anopa, ewia, anopa, ewia. And we all know say Asante Kotoko team no players need go break. Nti omoba back no, the technical team decided say omema my physical spa like the ebe cool mu because e bia korere nam e bia ko chele there's some drain yomo anopa na me kasa asem. Nti omo call a tougher level like just like pre-season you break players down then they recover gradually. Ebe do be no starting omo ye training once a week na ekosa. Now, and on the third day, Fatawu Safiu complaining say oti pain. I want the 9 days from asia kakra. Good. This is what my sources are telling me. Sources of me active our system. Into the medical team or cancer technical team, the technical team on excuse basis. Therefore, so we could just scan to know exactly what is causing the pain. Scan no. There were 2 different scans which is MRI. And then say MRI to get to know exactly what is going on and a more detailed version. Now, another report nearby and our results no, they presented it to 2 doctors. Now, what the appear free mobile and say the doctors are saying say an injury which they should work on. The team should work on it. Now, according to them, no, on say you will prebia. I say be ankase. Let me use this example. Don't pay an ankase be awo. Also, tiaso out pain, tiaso out pain. But sometimes you can work with that kase ne show name one. I can't say kase ne show boy name, but I'm just giving an example. You can work with that. I feel now be normal. I feel now on pain. But you could try scan and we can identify say, hey, abrantie no cassation name. JC, which be a year, a baby fresh wound. Now you've been able to work with it time I normal, but maybe a year baby fresh wound, a fresh wound that you might not be able to work now. It will take time to heal, and that cassation will no longer be there. I hope that explanation is clear. So the injury now play and one trigger that pain. No? A injury a sidadada, but he has been playing with it. I'm now on feeling and be a pain that would put him to bed. And ye pain a be man intimate bubble because why you used to it. Why you used to the pain? I'm an a body in pain afa. Just that if Kotoko want to correct data, he will be out for some time. Let's say for be about 6 months or more, and the surgery to correct that pain, no, a bit expensive. That is what results, no, from 2 medical teams. So this is what happened. They see, no. Now, you come medicals. I explained it in the morning. Let me explain again. Medicals, yenye MRI scan. The heart angles and for angles when they say angles they have this you be twist it now nice or no twist it to see if pain be or be it misses cones then you move left right that kind of thing say pain go and I will pray they do all those things. So if you're able to pass through hallelujah, that means you are fit. But Ghana, the clubs are not financially sound, including Kotoko. Obi Oshe Porcupine stand with Obed with Obed. The end say MRI scan is very, very expensive. Then you be an itimika. They no on critical times the mawukucha. Therefore, the clubs cannot afford it, including Kotoko. So we will go in that far when it comes to the medicals. It's only basic medicals. Basic medicals and no more. Now, so medicals no cost. So if you want to know why player be training 3 days, no complaining of pain. Yes, or you train in 3 days and no prior, but team no in the medicals. Again, on the ITC, it takes 7 days, and upon I think I explained on radio, it takes 7 days to be confirmed. Some are confirming. So again, Kotoko was also in a rush to finish the deal of Fatawu Safiu. Now I'm going deal on them. And your medical issues, proper facilities, a bit me a diagnose will be hidden injuries, and now reoccurring injury be a shen one. Abe normal, you can see. We decide whether Obed then the surgery and you risk having him. Nti eno ne nkomo but ye ni bi. Again, Kotoko was also against time. Ne brain ho, a brain so. Ti na some ye nyoma fast. The ITC the registration. You need his medicals to register him. You need him to sign a contract to register him. You need his ITC to register him. Ti na nyoma a bit in a haste in a Kotoko move at a quicker pace to get things done. So that is a story. I think I was trying to upload video now here in the video. I think my now let's come to the individual positions. The medical report on it say they are advising Kotoko say the Kotoko should not use the player before eventually Obama player available. That is what the medical report is saying. That's what the doctors are saying. So they see identify we are that is what they are saying. And then they advise on the Kotoko. Now, that's where the Kotoko positions come. Kotoko, as of now, I can officially confirm it to you on Porcupine stand. Say Kotoko position by the IMC majority vote. Said they should terminate the contract of Fatawu Safiu. The contract, no be catch us say it has been terminated. I catch and say Obwa. So Obed on Porcupine stand say Obwa. The contract has not been terminated, but the position of Asante Kotoko. Said they want to terminate the contract because someone say one, they are not ready to bear the cost of any medical bills be abama boy no, and two, they are not ready say on the cost of my brand despite knowing this particular injury that is the Kotoko position, the IMC position by majority vote, and but by majority that is the conclusion of and Chief Kotoko say you know, omushia Fatawu ombesom ka chere say omashia no aka chere say ombesom terminate, and that is their stand. They want to terminate it. Good. Let me give you the player stand. Fatawu Safiu so who say one advice by any say or didi ni nkomo no ono so who say with exercise obetimi abobon on so say with exercise obetimi abobon until despite all this pain and MRI banning Fatawu at the moment and nanopa according to sources close to the player or called gym until onye player bi abibisi abano sematoadi ene me kotene fie na Kotokofo me no ma be twene tawe na ma gym sika na me ko no he went to the gym to train. Or they train him kesiye na kwahyehyɛ so. He's still training because Ojidi say ono so ene doctors be a ben and di nkomo no. Womo ka kyerɛ so with training no saa pain ni nyina no ebetimi akɔfom ama wetimi abɔ de ama Kotoko because ono no nkofo no mkasa say obetimi aye training na strengthen certain part of the body so that he can play for Asante Kotoko. So he's still willing and hoping say impenifo benya gidie wonimu no diabo because when say kase na ehye just like I'm saying example of we no when say if he has been playing with it all this time there playing to continue playing with it for just 6 months any issue, but kobo 6 months ni we are now that they've discovered it nanka omateki procedure na bianka omakoye ne surgery na eno de nka at least Kotoko enya ne so mfaso kakra nanka recover fully ababebo the Asante Kotoko ntie no ene de wo ha amede ma now supporters ni mu ache
chitafoɔ no mpanimfoɔ no mu akyɛ na deɛ tie ne sɛ chitafoɔ mpanimfoɔ no mene mmiɛnsa ebi of the view sɛ abranteɛ no ɔmo the management of Asante Kotoko na the management of Asante Kotoko no enye deɛ ɔmo pɛ sɛ ɔmo yɛ. In this case, the management of Asante Kotoko decided like me catch the position of Kotoko say they don't want to work with the player again because one, after knowing this injury, no mo nyoma in some risk ama abrante na bo na okupra kese whilst playing for Kotoko and also any implications for the club. Nti omo decision here say omo mane mbokra so omehu. Now they know nti okojina baby you knew it incident now cause my boy and a boy. That is what more can't. Some of the supporters leadership no SNE enjoy management. Now say management be terminate here, enjoy mom terminate. Now inform support mom. There was another leader of the supporters no so say Debbie. Say player na cast obetime dia body ya. Man a chance no fan because sa penyin so cite another example of player medicals ni bi buy can so ntimi mbo bi mbado be boy to no so say ne ma boy ne mbebo na boy ne bebo a Kotoko ne sign contract say de be mo abebo na emom se wo be pra ana se whilst you are playing you who we pra na a long term I will terminate it then there's a boy ne tia no ase dia the club should give him a chance. No more nembo near say whether engineer the best sideline and an sideline. So there's that division. To say Coach Akwesia Pia is expected to come in. Now Obeshia boy no, they will meet the medical team, then they will meet Kotoko members will be there to resolve the issue. Whether they will go with what the medics are advising Kotoko to terminate it. And now say Omo Ebetie boy, they will sign a new ABR clause and condition with him, including the injury partner. Then Omemana Koswabo, no matter say be ye and I say enye. So mama of 4 positions, mama of Fatawu's position, according to the sources, mama of supporters, mama of medical, and mama of Kotoko position. This is the story, and this is what Porcupine stand with Obed TV. Why? Presented at the amount. So in the coming days, anything can happen. Fatawu Safiu and Asante Kotoko issue Ababe Toba.